Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Blender for Windows. The similar process is there for Mac and Linux. So let's get started. First we will search Blender on Google. Then we will go to blender.org. This is the first site where we are going to download the Blender. Then we can click on download. We will download Windows version which is 4.4.3, and also there are various versions for other operating systems also. We will download for Windows. We will wait some time. Yes, we have our setup in downloads. Let it download. After completion of download, let's install the Blender using the downloaded setup. Click on next. This is the path where we are going to install the Blender. You can customize it by clicking on change or use the default path. Install. It will take time depending on your system configuration. So it is finished. So let's open the Blender. The Blender software we have successfully installed